guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ellen here. So today's video is going to be a MAC lipstick collection. I have split them up into groups like nudes, pinks, reds and like bolder colours. I did film myself trying them on before filming my intro and outro, which is why I look all sort around my lips. So yeah. Just a little disclaimer before I do get on with the video. Obviously I did used to work for MAC, which is why I do have so many MAC lipsticks, and also I hold the lipsticks up in front of the camera. Some of them say sample on the bottom. That's because I got given them for free. Again, obviously I used to work at MAC, so I got a few lipsticks for free, just in case you're wondering why it says sample on the bottom. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and just get straight on with the video. Enjoy, guys.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Lipsticks. They were 56 in total, I think, which is a lot of lipsticks. My lips are very sore, so I'm now going to go and soak them in lip conditioner because they need it. They're really, really red, really sore. Can't believe I just did that. But they're all the lipsticks that I have from MAC. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Leave any suggestions down in the comment section down below, and also make sure you click that subscribe button as well. But yeah, that's everything, guys.